Hello friends, in today's video we are going to write how to make sentences. Let's start.
Number 1. School. I go to school every day. Number 2. House. My house is very big. Number 3. Teacher. We should respect our teacher. Number 4. Bread. Payal is my friend. Number 5. Book. This is my book. Number 6. Tree. Tree gives us oxygen. Number 7. Horse. Horse runs very fast. Number 8. Pencil. I write with my pencil. Number 9. Mother. I love my mother very much. Number 10. Student. I am a student.